My name is Michael Gormley. I'm Professor of Public Health and Environmental Engineering at Heriot-Watt University. My areas of research are in building drainage systems, in sanitary plumbing systems, and more recently, within the last number of years, their interaction with public health issues.
We're delighted to have been awarded this funding from NHSScotland Assure. The title of the project is The Role of Air Pressure Transients and the Spread of Microorganisms Through Water Trap Seals in Clinical Settings. It's a laboratory and a real-world study.
So, as the title suggests, there are two main aspects to it. We intend to investigate air pressures and microbiology spread in a hospital setting, and also to do that in the laboratory setting here. So we can use the air pressure data that we get from the hospital setting to drive the experimentation in the laboratory, where we can be a little bit more in depth. So the reason this research is important is that there's a growing understanding that water trap seals in particular and wash hand basins in general are at the centre of a lot of outbreaks in healthcare settings, in clinical settings. So we hope that this research can inform design guidance for the installation of wastewater and sanitary systems in healthcare settings. So the project is going to be led by myself, and I'll be supported by my colleagues here at Heriot-Watt University, Dr. David Kelly and Dr. David Campbell particularly. We are also in collaboration with a long-time collaborator, Dr. Tom Asprey from Solid Sense Limited, who is a microbiologist. And we will be also collaborating with a hospital in Scotland. So this project follows on from a pilot study that we carried out for NHSScotland Assure in 2023-2024, in which we established the mechanism for transmission of contaminated water from the wastewater drainage system back into a wash hand basin. The system that we set up was equivalent to an ensuite bathroom in a single occupancy ward room. The results showed that air pressure transients in the drainage system can cause contaminated water to come back into a wash hand basin in the form of bioaerosols and also from small droplets. The work established for the first time that this mechanism is a possibility for the transmission of disease within a healthcare setting. So the experience of working with NHSScotland Assure and Edinburgh Napier University in the context of applying for this funding has been a very positive one. The technical input from NHSScotland Assure has been excellent, and it has made our proposal and now our project better because of the input from the engineering team, particularly at NHSScotland Assure. The application process was quite straightforward, and the right to reply on reviewers' comments was particularly noted and useful, and overall the process was quite streamlined in the end.